Are you building a multilingual website or one in your local language? Adding content in your language is very easy. But wait, what about all those internal strings buried in your plugins and themes? Let's paint a picture. You're launching your WooCommerce store in Spanish. Yay! You translated product titles and descriptions, but then you hit a wall. What about strings like add to cart and your account? Do you know? WooCommerce alone has over 5,000 such strings. And that's not counting your theme, which could add thousands more. Manually translating all of this is a total nightmare. That's where Loco Addon comes in, your ultimate solution to translate strings. With just one click, Loco Addon automatically translates every plugin and theme string into your local language. Why Loco Addon? Well, it supports top translation tools like Google Translate, ChatGPT, Gemini AI, and Chrome's built-in AI. And here's the best part. It translates unlimited strings without any extra cost. So, don't let those untranslated strings ruin your site's user experience, and use Loco Addon today to make your website multilingual.